Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Rachael Ray Cucina Nonstick Cookware Pots and Pans Set, 12-piece, Agave Blue. Durable design. Nonstick pots and pans from Rachael Ray are crafted with durable aluminum and sturdy hard enamel porcelain exteriors to stand up to busy kitchens. Enhanced Nonstick Cookware Set features espresso-colored nonstick for effortless food release and easy cleanup. Convenience and control. The 12-piece nonstick cookware set boasts dual riveted rubberized stainless steel handles and shatter-resistant glass lids, includes slotted turner and spoon. Oven safe to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. These versatile pots and pans are suitable for all stovetops except induction. Set includes 1 quart and 3-quart saucepans with lids, 6-quart stockpot with lid, 8.5-inch and 10-inch frying pans, 3-quart. Thanks for watching and subscribe.